Hello everyone. Our today video is going to be about how to make a jumping game in Scratch. So let's begin. First of all, take a background. Then take two sprites. Like our first sprite will be the chick and the second sprite will be the basketball. Place them in their position. First of all, we will work on the chick. Our first code will be on events when green flag clicked. Then go on motion. Go to X. X will be negative 180 and our Y will be negative 120. And then go on variables. I have already made a variable known as score. You can also make one. Set my variable to 0. Variable is score. Then go on events. When space key pressed. Then repeat 10 times. Go on motion. Set Y to 10. And then go on control. Repeat 10 times and this time change Y by negative 10. Negative 10. And then go on variables, change score by 1. Then go on basketball settings. Then our first code will be events when green flag clicked and then go on until, then go on sensing, touching the chick and then stop all. And after that again go on when green flag clicked and then the forever loop and then go on motion. Our X will be 226 and our Y will be negative 137 and then take the glide block, wait for 3 seconds, 3 seconds will look better and then X will be negative 235 and our Y will be negative 137 and then place this code under this one. Our game is ready. Let's see how it works. Our game is working as you can see. Thank you for watching. For more Scratch hacks, subscribe to my channel on YouTube and like this video. Bye.